What's up, everyone? My name is Jamie, and I work for or with Walkera. I'm a local rep in Las Vegas. I just wanted to introduce Walkera's latest and greatest drone. They've already had the Vitus out for a few months, but they are just releasing the new Vitus Starlight. And quick touch on what the difference between the Vitus Starlight and the normal Vitus is it has a new nighttime camera. So it's only 1080p instead of 4K, but it's a larger sensor. It's a 1/2 sensor. It just brings out a lot of color and light in the nighttime that you wouldn't normally be able to see. It's pretty impressive. It also, of course, works during the daytime, but may not be ideal versus other drones for daytime operation. So as you can see, it folds out just like the Mavic. It has very similar flight times as the Mavic. The cool thing about this that the Mavic doesn't have is it has infrared collision avoidance in both the front and the sides, much like the Phantom 4 Pro. This is the more expensive version of the Vitus, but it's still cheaper than buying the Mavic. And when you buy it, it comes with this nice little carrying case and 2 extra batteries, bringing it to 3 total. The controller is a lot like the Mavic controller as well. The phone goes on the top instead of the bottom. So these just stretch up and you connect your phone through Wi-Fi to this controller. Has a lot of familiar controls like record and capture for locking on to a target if you want it to follow somebody. But again, what's great about the Vitus Starlight is its nighttime operation. And if you could see some video for yourself of its nighttime operations, you'd be impressed. It sees better than we can with our naked eye. And unlike a lot of nighttime cameras, it doesn't go to black and white. So it brings out a lot of color that you wouldn't be able to see. So the price of the Starlight version that is just now coming out is $1,049, and what that gets you is the drone, of course, the case and 3 batteries, and the controller, charger, everything you need to go. And they are working their way out to distributors as we speak. So the first order was placed by a large distributor that we use, Stampede. They have these for pre-order, basically. Again, thank you for visiting the Walkera booth at CES 2018, and we hope you enjoy some more videos in the future from us.